Be honest, you work hard, but your money still disappears before month end. My brother, my sister, 2026 no be year to guess money again. Make I show you 3 free tools wey go help you control your money like a boss. First one go track your spending sharp sharp. Second one go budget your money without stress. Third one go help you save. Number one means this app go track your spending automatically. You go see where your sports subscriptions, everything clear. No more, I don't know how the money finish. Number two, YNAB, you need a budget. This one will teach you discipline. You go assign every night work to do. Before money enter your hand, you don't already tell them where they go. Number three, Google Sheets. Simple but powerful. If you know like too many apps, just create small spreadsheet. Track your income and expenses yourself like serious CEO. In my next video, I'll be talking about how you can start making money with AI with zero capital. Listen, poor management, not poor income, they worry many people. Control your money or your money go control you. Subscribe to Smart Income Academy if you really want to build smart income in 2026.